Hi guys, and welcome to the final day of Quiltmas 2023, day 31. We made it!
Hooray!
I'm so glad you've joined me on this crazy journey. It's been a ton of work, and I think we've had a ton of fun. I've got some ideas already brewing for next year, but for now, let's just get on with the show. Day 31. Whew! Guys, we did it! Just a quick update, and I promise I'll get to the part you're all really here for. My UFOs are all still UFOs. My scraps are still scraps. My mystery quilt is still stalled on clue number 3. But I made this, which I love, and I made it with polka dot scraps that my friend Amy sent me, so it's even more special. Overall, it's been a great year, and in the English tradition of begin as you mean to go on, tomorrow and this week I will be playing catch up and clean up and reset, which actually sounds pretty perfect. Don't forget that our process quilt along begins this week on January 3rd. All you need for day 1 is your chosen pattern. I'm using remixed geese, but you can use any pattern you like, as we're breaking down processes, not giving pattern or instructional guidance. I'll drop the schedule and the link to the free pattern I'm using in the description box below. I cannot wait to dig in. My 100 quilts journey begins, and I'm really excited to get going. We're staying in tonight, keeping the dogs company during the fireworks, and gathering with friends tomorrow. I think it's the perfect ending and the perfect beginning. I hope you are all safe and looking forward to the new year. Let me know in the comments how you will begin as you mean to go on. And now, for the reason you're really here, there were over 560 entries in the contest. More comments, but after weeding out duplicates and such, thank you so much. And the winner is... Okay, here we go. Gonna click the button.
And the winner is?
Melanie Hill, 5568. Yay, Melanie! Congratulations, Melanie. I can't wait for you to receive your goodies. Drop me an email, that's in the description box, and we'll work out getting your prizes to you. I am so very grateful for each of you and this community. I'm energized for the coming challenges of 2024, and I truly wish you a wonderful new year. I also want you to never forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.